What if I told you that right now, in 2026, a local pizza shop owner, a one-person cleaning business, or a neighborhood gym is quietly out-earning businesses 10 times their size, and the only real difference is 3 AI tools they started using in the last 6 months. No massive ad budget, no marketing degree, no agency on retainer. Just smart, simple AI working in the background around the clock. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly which AI tools are driving local business growth right now, how to run Facebook ads that actually convert using AI, and the step-by-step system you can start today, even if you've never touched an AI tool in your life. Stay to the end, because the real-world example I'm sharing at the 7-minute mark is the one that's going to make everything click. Welcome back to Ace Media. If you're a local business owner or you work with local businesses, you are in exactly the right place. Every single week, we break down AI marketing strategies, Facebook ad tactics, and growth systems built specifically for businesses like yours. And today we are going deep on the topic that's dominating 2026, AI tools for local business growth. But before we get into the tools, we need to kill a myth. And this myth is costing local business owners thousands of dollars every single month. The myth is this: AI is for big companies with big budgets and big tech teams. I hear this all the time. I'm just a local business. I don't need AI. That stuff's for Silicon Valley. Here's the thing. That thinking is exactly why some businesses are falling behind right now. The truth is the opposite. AI actually levels the playing field more for small and local businesses than for anyone else. A large corporation already has a 50-person marketing department. You don't. But AI can be your marketing department, your copywriter, your ad manager, and your customer service rep all at once for a fraction of the cost. AI tool number 1, and this is the one I'd start with if I were launching a local business tomorrow, is AI-powered lead generation automation. Think about how most local businesses get leads today. Someone drives past a sign, someone gets a flyer, someone sees a Facebook post that got 12 likes. That's not a system, that's luck. AI changes that completely. Tools like ManyChat combined with Meta's AI-optimized lead forms allow you to build an automated lead capture and follow-up system that works 24/7. Here's how it works in practice. You run a simple Facebook ad. We'll talk about the ad itself in a second. And when someone clicks it, an AI chatbot instantly starts a conversation with them. It qualifies them, captures their contact information, and books an appointment or sends them a coupon. Or triggers whatever your next step is, all automatically, while you're sleeping, while you're serving another customer, while you're living your life. The businesses using this system are seeing lead response times drop from hours to seconds. And here's why that matters. Studies consistently show that responding to a lead within the first 5 minutes makes you 9 times more likely to convert them. 9 times. AI makes that happen without you lifting a finger. That is AI tools for local business in action. Next up, we're talking about making your ads smarter with AI targeting. Now let's talk about AI tool number 2. And this is where Facebook ads for local businesses get really exciting in 2026. Facebook and Instagram ads have always been powerful for local businesses, but the learning curve used to be steep. You had to know about audiences, creative testing, copywriting, bidding strategies. It was a lot. Now pay attention to this because this has changed dramatically. Meta's own AI systems, Advantage Plus campaigns, AI-generated ad creative, dynamic copy suggestions, have made it possible for a local business owner with no advertising experience to run profitable ads. But here's the secret layer on top of that. You pair Meta's built-in AI with an external AI tool like Claude or ChatGPT to write your ad copy, generate your hooks, and brainstorm your offers. Then you let Meta's AI optimize delivery to the right people. The combination is incredibly powerful. For example, you can prompt an AI tool with something like, write 5 Facebook ad hooks for a local HVAC company targeting homeowners in a hot climate. Targeting homeowners in a hot climate who are worried about their AC breaking down in summer. In 30 seconds, you have 5 options that would have taken a copywriter hours to produce. You test them, Meta's AI finds the winner, and you scale. This is the Facebook ad strategy for local businesses that's working right now in 2026. And it's accessible to everyone watching this video. So now you know about lead generation AI and AI-assisted Facebook ads, but the next strategy is even more powerful because it's the one that builds long-term compounding growth. AI tool number 3 is AI content creation for local marketing. Here's the reality. Consistency is the biggest challenge for local business marketing. You know you should be posting on social media. You know you should be sending emails or texts to your list. You know you should have fresh Google business content, but you're busy running a business. AI solves the consistency problem completely. Tools like Claude, Jasper, or even the built-in AI features inside Canva and Buffer can help you generate a full month of social media content in under 2 hours. Local business-specific content. Posts that speak to your community, your seasons, your local events, your customer stories. And here's a pro tip from Ace Media. The local businesses winning on social media in 2026 are not the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones showing up consistently with content that feels real and local. AI helps you create that volume without burning out. You give it your business details, your tone, your offers, and it produces drafts you can tweak and publish. It's like having a content team that never sleeps and never calls in sick. Okay, I promised you a real-world example, and here it is. Let me walk you through what happened with a local pest control business. I'm going to call them Riverside Pest Control to keep things general. In early 2026, they were spending about $1,500 a month on Facebook ads with mediocre results. They had no follow-up system. Leads would come in, someone would call back the next day, and half the time the potential customer had already called a competitor. They started using an AI chatbot for instant lead response. They switched their Facebook ads to Advantage Plus campaigns with AI-generated copy built from Claude prompts. And they started posting 3 times a week on Facebook using AI-generated local content. Within 90 days, their cost per booked job dropped by 40%. Their monthly revenue from digital leads nearly tripled. The owner told us he went from checking ads manually every day in a panic to checking a dashboard once a week. That is how AI tools for local business growth work in the real world. It's not magic, it's systems, and anyone can build them. So let's bring this all together and give you a clear, actionable starting point for your business. If you're watching this and thinking, okay, I'm ready to do this, where do you actually begin? Here is your exact step-by-step roadmap. Step 1. Get your foundation right. Set up a Meta business account if you haven't already. The key here is to turn on Advantage Plus shopping or lead campaigns immediately. Stop manual tweaking and let Meta's sophisticated AI do the heavy lifting on your targeting. Step 2. Pick your primary AI writing assistant. Whether it's Claude or ChatGPT, the specific tool matters less than the execution. Use it to generate your first 5 high-converting Facebook ad hooks this very week. Input your best service, your ideal customer profile, and their biggest pain point. Then, let the AI iterate. Step 3. Automate the engagement. Look into ManyChat or similar AI-powered chatbot tools. Connect it to your Facebook page and set up a simple auto response for any comments or messages. This one move will dramatically improve your speed to lead, which is the #1 growth killer for local businesses. Step 4. Content at scale. Use AI to generate 4 entire weeks of social media content in a single sitting. Block out just 2 hours, sit down with your AI partner, and walk out with a complete content calendar. And step 5, and this is the one critical piece most people skip, you must track everything meticulously. Use a simple spreadsheet or a powerful tool like Google Looker Studio to monitor your real-time conversions. Analyze which content drives engagement and which AI-generated copy is actually winning the click. The businesses that will dominate in 2026 are the ones that combine AI speed with sharp human judgment on the data. Here's what I want you to take away from today's video. Number 1, AI tools for local business growth are not a future thing. They are a right now, 2026 thing, and the businesses adopting them are already pulling ahead. Number 2, you do not need a big budget or a tech background. The tools are accessible, affordable, and increasingly built into platforms you already use like Facebook and Instagram. And number 3, the combination of AI lead generation, AI-powered Facebook ads, and AI content creation creates a compounding system that gets stronger every month you run it. This is how local businesses grow in 2026 without burning themselves out. If this video gave you at least one thing you're going to act on this week, do me a favor, smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps more local business owners find this content, and that's exactly why we make it. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 3 AI tools are you going to try first? Lead generation, Facebook ads, or content creation? I read every single comment and I want to know where you're starting. And if you haven't subscribed to Ace Media yet, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop AI marketing strategies, Facebook ad breakdowns, and local business growth content every single week. Content that is built for real businesses trying to grow in the real world. Next week, we're going deep on exactly how to write Facebook ad copy using AI that converts cold audiences into paying customers. You do not want to miss that one. I'll see you there. Make sure to stay tuned for our next update, and I will see you next week.